how to choose a bowl for your next bong. So I have a couple of bowls over here. We have so much more in variety in our store, but these are some that I picked out to show you how to choose a bowl for your next bong. So it all depends on person to person and priority. So I have a lot of different varieties of bowl here. So let me show you what they look like and how you use it and what you use it for. So let's just start off with the basic regular one. This is a 14 mm standard bowl. This is a clear glass and it fits on all the 14 mm ones. All of these bowls that I have here are 14 mm. This is very regular one. It's just a clear glass. It has a small hole up there and it has a holder that you can just pull out when you finish the bowl. Basic regular one. This is the most basic one. Use it for, can be used with any bongs with 14 mm in size. So next up I have the similar bowl with a very fancy handle down here, and the best thing about this bowl is it has a small holes there, so you don't need to use a screen. So it just filter out the unburnt flour. It doesn't let the unburnt flour pass through. Small holes you can see up there. This is also 14 mm and the bowl is good size. It's pretty standard for one hit. So another fancy bowl I have here is a red and a black one. It looks pretty fancy. It has horns coming out of it. It has a deep bowl. Has a wide space for your flour to put in there. And it also has a small hole. If you want to use this fancy bowl, I suggest you use it with a screen so that you don't get it dirty and you don't have to clean it as often. This looks pretty good on a fancy bong. Let me show you this one, a butterfly bowl. We have this in different colors. It has a very big space here. You can almost fit like 2 grams. But the main thing about this bowl is that when you burn it, you cannot just burn in one space. You have to burn it all over so that the flour burns equally from all the sides. And you might have some of the unburnt flours remaining over here, and this can get pretty hard to clean. So this is a fancy bowl that you can use with any 14 mm bong, and if you are not a clean freak, then I don't suggest you use this bowl. Another bowl I have is a round shape. This is a pretty big bowl. It has a very deep bowl and you can fill it up till here. It has a very big space. You can see up there. It's pretty fancy and it has a handle over here. It does not heat up this part, so you can just pull it out. Looks good with a pink bong and has a very deep space. So this is another bowl that I have. We have this one in different colors too. This one is a freeze bowl. You can freeze this up for 30-45 minutes and this glycerin inside freezes up, so you can use it to smoke a cool smoke. Put it here. It does not have a too deep bowl, so you can just fit like a one hit on this thing and you can use it a couple of times before you have to freeze it again. This one is called freeze bowl. Goes with any standard 14 mm bowl. This one's pretty cool. If you wanna enjoy a cool smoke, then this is the bowl you should go for. Let me pull out another one. This one's SpongeBob, and this one has a very deep bowl, so you can fit in like 3 grams, almost 3 grams in there. So I don't think anybody can finish a 3 gram hit on a single hit. So you might need a couple of hits to finish all the flour in here. It's pretty fancy. The main thing about this is it has a very deep, big bowl, almost fits like 3 grams. And this is perfect if you want to share the same bong, same hit with your brother, your friends. Yeah, this is perfect for multiple hits. So choosing a bowl depends on what you want, how big of a hit you want, how fancy you want it to be. And there's a lot of things that you need to consider before buying a bowl, but these are some simple terms, simple basic things that you should consider before buying a bowl piece. And we have a lot of variety of bowl pieces in our store. You can check out our website. The link is in the description below, and leave in the comments which one you like the best and which bowl would you like to try next.